In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix the Instagram content has been removed problem. So if you're currently facing the exact same issue on your own end, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your Instagram app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. So what I did firstly is to just click on my three lines in the top right corner. So I'm just going to click on my three lines, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here, as you can see, and then click on include and continue. And now you should be taken to this page right here. So now I'm going to show you exactly what I myself wrote to the Instagram support. I am having issues with my content just recently being removed by Instagram. That specific content didn't violate the Instagram community guidelines. Please reinstate the content. So this is basically what you need to write to them. I am having issues with my content just recently being removed by Instagram. That specific content didn't violate the Instagram community guidelines. Please reinstate the content. Now click on send in the top right corner. And perfectly, you have now submitted this problem to Instagram. But there is still another step that you need to take to be able to make sure that this problem is going to be fixed. So now just close your Instagram app and then go into your settings app on your phone. So go into your settings app, scroll down and click on general in here, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page right here. Scroll down and click on storage. For me it says iPhone storage, as you can see. And by the way, this specific page can take a couple of seconds to load, but now we're going to scroll down, click on Instagram in here, as you can see, click on upload app. Once again, click on upload app in here. Click on the blue button here again to be able to get the app back, and this can also take a couple of seconds, just so you know. And basically what will happen is that you will now get the latest version of Instagram, and it will fix all the bugs that were in the previous version. And you need to do this to be able to make sure that also your content can be reinstated, just so you know. So that is basically exactly how to fix this.